Hi guys, tonight I want to show you the new tool that I got on Amazon, Titan, and it's basically a julienne slicer peeler. So I'm going to show you how to use it. It's a very good tool because you can do quickly like a salad if you need, or garnish on top of something. Let me show you this kind of pieces. So you can make a salad, quick garnish. You need for soup, for cooking, for anything. Nice, beautiful pieces. I got it from Amazon. I believe other websites as well have it, but Amazon definitely has it. It also has these side things for garnishing purposes as well. So this is the Titan. I'm going to show you once more how it goes. I use it on zucchini recently, which is very good also, and I use it mostly for my carrots. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. Thank you.